And we do believe this is a live picture right now, everyone, from the Hoover Dam bridge. We do believe that's what this is. Waiting for a confirmation. All right, everyone, KVVU, Fox 5 in Las Vegas, Nevada, providing us this live picture. Just got that confirmed. Working to get you some more info, but so far we've known that an armored car is blocking the bridge. It actually looks like this is a traffic cam, everyone, over the Hoover Dam. It doesn't look like any photojournalist is actually there live on the scene. Arizona Department of Transportation has taken to Twitter to say US 93 northbound has reopened. US 93 at the Nevada state line, both directions closed due to police activity in Nevada. If you're heading to Las Vegas, delay travel or use an alternate route. So again, taking to Twitter just moments ago, 2 minutes ago to be exact, to say that the US 93 northbound has reopened. All right, everyone. Fox 5 in Las Vegas taking to Twitter 3 minutes ago to say the suspect crossed into Arizona, where he was taken into custody without incident. Traffic on US 93 has reopened. It is Fox 5 in Las Vegas providing us this picture here. Traffic is slowly moving, going to be a tie-up for quite some time. So if you are able to take the overpass, the flyover to get over Hoover Dam, that may be a good alternate route for anyone going to and from Las Vegas. Good afternoon, everyone. If you're just joining us here on Fox News Now, which is a part of fox10phoenix.com. My name is Pilar Arias. I'm gonna get you up to date with the situation that happened here at the Hoover Dam this afternoon. A man barricaded himself using an armored van near the Hoover Dam bridge. That's according to Nevada Highway Patrol. That forced the closure of both directions of travel along US Highway 93. Several pictures on social media showed an armored car stopped in the middle of the road in the southbound lanes on the Nevada side. NHP Southern Command took to Twitter to say #traffic alert US 93 southbound at mile marker 1. That's the Hoover Dam Bridge. Road closed in both directions for barricaded subject blocking travel lanes. Multiple agencies responding, and they told the media where to meet them for additional information. Fox 5 Vegas, this is their live feed that we're getting right now, reported that it started around noon, so nearly 2 hours ago. Arizona Highway Patrol, Boulder City Police, Las Vegas Police also responded to the incident, as well as federal agencies. Authorities did believe the man was armed. Police were seen trying to move all pedestrian traffic from the bridge. Some visitors said they heard an announcement explaining the dam was closed to tourists for the day and to make their way out. Those same witnesses said they then spotted a large police presence swarm the area. But since then, the Arizona Department of Transportation has taken to Twitter to say that US 93 northbound has reopened. And we also learned that the suspect was taken into custody. That's according to NHP, and all lanes have reopened. But you can imagine things are moving much slower than they normally would. And a lot of people kicking off their weekend early, possibly going between Nevada and Arizona. So traffic situation there. There is a flyover bridge over the Hoover Dam. So if you happen to be traveling to and from, that might be an alternate route that you can take. Fox stations across the country on the Fox 10 Phoenix Facebook Live with us right now. Thanks so much for watching and getting the latest information from us. But again, suspect has been taken into custody. US 93 back open. Traffic moving much more slowly, though, than it normally would this time of day. Breaking news story. If we get any additional updates, we will let you know.